to the right. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 3. Shuangshou Penyun Wangzhe Tian. Climbing the clouds with both hands to gaze at the sky. Shuangshou Penyun Wangzhe Tian. Climbing the clouds with both hands to gaze at the sky. Look forward, raise your right foot, and hop with your left foot. Simultaneously, cross your hands and trace an arc in front of your chest. Bend your left leg forward with toes touching the ground, keeping your right leg slightly bent behind. Lower your body into a natural squat, leaning your upper body slightly forward. At the same time, sweep both monkey hands so that your left hand is in front, while your right hand is positioned near the right side of your lower abdomen. Bend your knees, raise your head, and look diagonally upward. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration.